So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Clickbank on Microsoft Ads. So again, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make money with affiliate marketing and no bullshit. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how you can make money with affiliate marketing and no bullshit. So if you have always seen my channel, I always go straight to the point and I want you to make money. So that's it. So guys, please consider subscribing, and now let's get started. So again, guys, I know I'm posting after a long time. The reason for that was, again, I was just busy learning new skills, as well as, I had my mentorship program. So I had students, so I had to commit to them. So that's the reason. Now let's get back to the video. So guys, first things first, again, you need to choose an offer on Clickbank. And again, I'm someone who has already done that. I've experimented. I've made sale over this product, and I'm going to show you like how much did I get and how much, and a case study as well. So again, the product which I was promoting was Sonawell. Okay, so again, I created a landing page. Again, this is Sonawell for tinnitus. Again, there are similar products as well, Sono Vive. So you can promote this product similarly. Again, the process is the same, but it's a different product. So just get an idea. So again, I was just promoting this product, Sonawell for tinnitus. I just wrote a review about this, how does it work, and all the countdown timer. And again, if you're looking for a page editor, I was using system.io. And again, guys, I want to emphasize on one thing. Okay, tools can be anything. Let's say, for example, you want to go from place A to place B. Doesn't matter if you go walking, if you go cycling, if you take a car, doesn't matter. So tools are something like this. Sometimes I use ClickFunnels, sometimes I use system.io, sometimes I use WordPress, and then I use a plugin called Elementor or Thrive Theme. So don't let tools stop you. Okay, you can go with whatever you want. Okay, again, I'm just gonna show you, this is my landing page. Again, that's it. And again, let me go back over here. So again, this is my landing page, and I'm gonna show you how you can create a Microsoft Ads. So let me go over there. So we are here at Microsoft Ads. The best thing is just come on campaigns, click on the left hand side, campaigns, create a campaign, visits on my website, search ads. Once you do search ads, all you have to do is just type your campaign name. So I would write Sonawell, branded kind of thing. Okay, and then just write for my example, I can put $100. Let me choose specific location. So always choose tier 1 countries, which is USA, the United States, Canada, gonna be Australia, New Zealand, okay, Ireland. Okay, perfect. That's it. Once this is done, I'll scroll down. Only people in your target location. Choose English, save and go to the next step. Okay, now here are the ad groups, right? So I would write Sonawell reviews. Okay, now once this is the ad group name, and then how do I find keywords? There are different ways to do it, but the best way I do is I just type Sonawell. Okay, and then just I press reviews. Okay, and then scroll down. I take all of these things. Okay, come over here, keyword match type tool. I come over here, paste it, exact phrase, make a keyword list, copy it, then just come over here, paste it. Okay, once this is done, so again, it shows phrase and exact match. Once that's done, again, save and go to, this is dynamic, we don't need dynamic. Okay, save and go to next step. Create an ad. I always do responsive expanded, but again, from February 1st, it's going to get removed. But again, I do expanded. And how do I write ad copies? Basically, I just come over here. Okay, just copy this thing, Sonawell official. Okay, and I go over here and then just copy my URL. Again, I'm not gonna go into tracking. I just don't want to complicate things, because this is a video on how you can start making money immediately. So tracking and everything is much more further down the line. And for that, guys, I've created a free video course on how you can do the tracking, how you can find keywords and everything in more detail in my free course, and it's completely free. The link is down below, so you can go and check it out. But anyways, for now, again, just pasting your URL. Again, just go back, supercharge your hearing, and then I will do Sonavel reviews. Okay, literally like this. Do you have tinnitus? Okay, just copy this thing. Okay, I would write reviews over here, and then maybe over here youth selection, or scroll down, info. Okay, or what else I could do is go over here, go back on the top offer of Clickbank. So let's say, for example, the top offer is over here on Clickbank is XCPR. So what I could do, XCPR reviews. Okay, just come over here, and then what else, I save up to. So what I could do, just go over here, okay, copy this thing, come back on my ad. So again, I know it save up to how much money you can save up to. Let me check. Save up to 762, right? So I can just come over here, again, save up to 762, and it's a 60-day guarantee. Okay, once that's done, 600 days, sorry. Again, copy the same thing over here. Again, your URL tracking would come here, but again, I'm not gonna do it right now. For just someone, I want to make it very simple, and then save. Okay, official, what's this? Okay, space, title part 1. Okay, maybe it's like this, or maybe official website. Okay, I'll save it like this. Okay, now again, in school you have done mix and match, right? So just copy the ad again. Again, I would write Sonavel reviews. Okay, I'll write over here official website. Okay, save. Just do mix and match. I would say just create 3 ads. Again, XCPR real reviews. I could just copy this thing, and then what was the name? Sonavel, right? Sonavel reviews 2022. Again, I'm not gonna create ad extension, but it's very simple. I've explained you in my course. Again, it's very simple. Come over here, just copy the same thing. Okay, and then paste it over here like this, and then do the simple trick. Instantly, you get my point, right? Sorry, this will come here, and then other blah blah things will come over here. Put your URL. So URL would be this. Just paste it. Again, tracking template would come here. Again, it's everything is explained in my free course. The link is down below. Again, all of these things I've explained in my course, so it's fine. It's a free video. You can go and check it out. Then you can go and save to next step. I would let it be as it is, because again, it's showing me $3.18. So I would be fine with this thing. Usually the best thing to check is come on tool keyword planner. Just type Sonavel reviews. So I can just come over here, tools, keyword planner, get search volume, data range, performance and cost estimate, get estimate. Okay, so it shows me around 0.368. We can just go back again, just paste it over here, so it will give you the top. Yeah, so high suggested bid is 3.39, which is good. So I would keep it as it is. Some people are paying 4.17, but that's for Sonavel tinnitus. But I would let it be as it is. Again, save. Okay, and then yeah, that's it. Again, right now it's on mobile as well as desktop. Once you get a sale, and then you can optimize it. But guys, it's simple as it is. Again, I'll show you how much money I made with Sonavel with this thing. So I made around $1,600. Okay, and with literally I've just spent what $200, $300 or $400. Again, now again, I wouldn't suggest promoting this product, because again, it's saturated and even a lot of competition as well. But you get my point. There are similar offers like this one you can promote on Clickbank. And again, if you could see, people are still running ads, so that's good. So yeah, that's it guys for this video. I hope you really like the video. If you like the video, please consider subscribing, And also guys, in my next video I'm going to show you how you can create the same ad in Google Ads and start making money as well. So that video would come tomorrow, and till now, Yavar Khan signing off.